Vu, we're going to start with you. The memo came out, what, 2 years ago almost, January it'll be. And we know that you all have been on a tear over there. We know that your Deputy Attorney General, Lisa, very focused on this area, very versed in this area. Give us a state of the state as to what is happening at Department of Justice on your zero trust architecture journey.
All right. First of all, thank you for having me today, Luke. So before we can discuss the progress, let's look at where we have been and where we are now and what does our current environment looks like. So zero trust is not a singular solution. It's an integration of capability shaped by a set of guiding principles and security practices. So over the past decade, the department has built a defense in-depth security architecture that contains elements that support us to the shift of zero trust. And the key of this effort has always been centralizing our cybersecurity program, a holistic view of the department's security postures. So our building blocks includes the first is knowing what asset or resource that's in your environment. And secondly, knowing the state of those assets that are in your environment. So for example, knowing how they are being configured, how they're hardened, what vulnerability to associate with them, because that helps you identify where the risks are. And then lastly, knowing who are authorized to have access in your environments. So at DOJ, we fully adopt the HSPD 12 for our department's identity management, where there is a strong identity proofing process in the forefront. And coupled with that is credentials to serve as a part of our MFA methods for access management. So all that to say is DOJ shapes our zero trust strategy with the starting point at the core of cybersecurity foundation. And we're building upon that, what we already have by leveraging modern technology.